Hello everybody, it's Cranky here. First off, I want to say if you can hear any background noise, there is actually a sort of event going on next door and the walls are a bit thin, so if you do hear anything, I do apologise. It's not me laughing or joking. Not that I don't laugh and joke, but anyway. So today I've got this master lock. It is a 7804D. You can see it's one of the ones that you'd use outside. The weatherproofing, they're saying it is a grade of 5, which we all know you don't take too seriously. So what are they saying on the back? They're saying that it's laminated steel body, its case is hardened steel shackle, thermoplastic cover, dust cover, limited lifetime warranty. I see. And what else is there? Oh, important. No, I got this from a shop called The Range we have here in the UK, and it was $5.99. Again, that's my nod to Mr. LaBelle. Yeah, so let's have a look. I haven't been picking for quite a while, as I'm sure most of you know. My videos have been a bit quiet recently, but I am doing another one just to explain everything. And also, I have gone over the 500 subscriber mark. So again, thank you everybody for subscribing. Again, I apologise for not being too active recently, but there's a lot of things going on which I do explain in the video I'm going to put out. And also, I'm doing a giveaway, which I'm going to mention in the other video. So yeah, let's try and do this without cutting off my fingers. I'm trying to create as little noise as possible for everybody. So let's put that to one side. So we've got the plastic body. There we go. It's harder to get into the cap than I'm sure it will be into the lock. Oh. Should just leave it like that. It's probably going to be more secure. There we are. So there we are. Nice little click on that. That's the bit in. It's a bit like a staircase. So let's have a look. It's probably going to take me a lot longer than what it normally would do. Like I say, I am a bit rusty. Let's see if I can rake it open. Oh. Oh, wow. I seriously did not expect that. Let's try that again. I can't say those words, I think they're copyrighted, but let's try that again. Can't be that easy. So it's locked. I mean opened. Locked. Try again. I knew it can't be that easy. Must have just got me. Try that again. Might be caught. No, it is that easy. Let's do it again. Unlocked. Locked. Yep, definitely locked. Put that in, get the rake, and say I'm sorry everybody, it's been a while. Let's try a different rake. This is why you shouldn't tempt fate. Nope, there we are. So yeah, a few raking motions and you can get in. I'm sure a bit more practice, people are getting a lot quicker than me, but there we are. Don't even need to single pin pick. So yeah, so that's the master lock security number 5. There we are. Hope everybody enjoyed that. There's Vapula in case anybody missed her. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all the new subscribers. And yeah, I'm going to put out my video for my giveaway. Okay, thank you everybody. Take care, and I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.